Welcome back, everybody, to Southside Boy Style. I'm here today doing another video. Yep, I know it's been a while, but I'm here now doing another video. I have the drone up in the air. Listen, guys, you know, okay, so almost done now is the 76 Nova. You know, we got the paint on it, we got the rally stripes on it. We have, I got the mirrors put back on it, stuff like that. The insides is pretty well done. Stereo system's in it, tack gauges, everything is all hooked up. I got the seat covers on it. They're kind of shabby, but it is what it is. Can't forget my skull. It's kind of dirty inside still. So, guys, it's officially not a Southside Boy Style vehicle until you put the Southside Boy Style license plate on the front of it. I'm going to take this one off. I'm just going to fix this up, paint it a little bit, and that's going to be there. That's going to be the license plate. I'm kind of excited about that. So I'm going to pull this car out and, tape this all up, protect the bumper, even though I'm changing the bumper. Yes, guys, I know the bumper is in hard shape. Stop telling me. I hear you, I hear you, I hear you. I hear that guy up there. I hear that guy over there. I hear it. The bumper's in bad shape. I know. I'm waiting on a bumper to come. Okay? So let's start this bad boy up right now and bring it outside. Okay, let's give it a few pumps on the old gas there. Pump her up some more. Here we go. Stuff's happening. Gauge is a little bit wonky. I don't know why, guys. Apparently I need some kind of resistor that goes to the alternator. I don't know. I gotta figure that one out. Stereo's coming on. All that's working. Nice. I don't want music to come on right now because I'll be copyrighted. Gauges are on. I'm charging. All pressure gauge still don't work. He's stuck right there. Water pressure gauge is working. I just started it up. So we're not going to have water pressure right away, guys. So let this warm up for a minute. Oh yeah, the drone is still there flying away. Let's check that guy out. Oh, that's what he sees. I think he's spying on us, guys. Everything seems to be good there. That's good. Guys, I understand that I've been putting video of drone stuff on. I guess maybe it's because I was new to it, but at the end of the day, I got the drone for Southside Boy Style, all to do automotive. So when I'm working at a car, at the end of the video I can give you some footage, stuff like that, some crazy silly things, and that's why I bought it. Okay, no other purposes, just for the actual channel. I always said to you guys, I said I would always do things to improve the channel as long as the channel was keeping going up, gaining in subscribers, gaining in views, as long as revenue was coming in. So I did that. That's why that thing's flying up there. That's why it's there. That's why it's flying up there right now. Okay? It's all for the channel. All for you guys. Okay? And I thank all of you very much for that. So I think she's warmed up enough here now. Does she sound like she's warmed up to you guys enough? So I'm gonna bring this out. Let's bring it out. See, my gauge is all messed up. So let's bring this out. Back it up a little bit. Here we go. See that, guys? Even her idle choke works. So, you know, her idle down after the car warms up, even that works. I had to fix that too, you know. I still don't have my mufflers put on. Listen, guys, start giving me comments on the swing, okay? Tell me if I should cut it down here to lower it a bit, or let me know what you want done with that wing. Please let me know. Drone, you stay there. It costs a lot of money. You stay right where you are. So guys, I still haven't put the muffler on yet. There he is right here. Okay, I haven't put it on yet. MBRP Incorporated. Haven't got it put on, so I still only got the old muffler on, which is the thrust muffler with the one pipe on. So that's all for that. So guys, let's get this plate off. This is a big screwdriver, guys, okay? Don't ever forget that. Babe. I don't know if this plate was original with this car. I have no idea. I don't know. I have no idea, but I'm keeping it because it's an old school Newfoundland license plate. So obviously I'm keeping the plate so I can hang it up somewhere. Now the only thing about this is that casing looks a little bit yuck. And then I'm going to put paper, and I'm just going to give it a very quick little paint cover up. And I know this is the old bumper, but I'm still using the car, so I don't want it to look completely horrible because I got black paint on everything everywhere. So guys, you guys know me. I always use the Rust-Oleum. I'm putting flat on it just because that's what I have here. And this is just to make it look half decent. It's only basically on these two sides, right? But I'm just as well to paint it all. Let that sit for a minute. So we'll let that sit for a minute now, and then I'll just give it a little second coat, and that'll be done. And then we'll be technically ready to put the license plate. Okay, guys. So, just gonna touch this up again. Now guys, I think that'll be fine. So let's tear this paper off. Come on, paper, come on. Okay. The rest of it off. As I said, guys, I know the bumper's old and whatever, and I got my new bumper putting on, but I still don't want to get black paint on it. I'm still using the car right now. Sometimes, every now and then, I take it for a drive. Not often though. I've been really busy lately. See guys, look at that. That's brand new. Look at that. Man, they don't even make it like that anymore. One thing about me guys, I always tend to get something on me. See, look, I got black paint all over me. So I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna put the license plate cover on. Listen guys, I know I've been saying this a lot, but it's been on my mind a lot. I'm soon starting at the 65, okay? I'm soon starting it because I'm starting to get surface rust sitting on it. It's been sitting outside for a while now, and I promise I'm soon starting at this. I'm not going to do silly crazy things on this like I'm doing with that 76 Nova. That 76 Nova is just a 76 Nova. There's nothing special about it. It's just a 4.1 engine. It's just a fun little project for fun on YouTube. But the 65, that's different. I'm not going to do things and cut up dashboards and stuff like that, and I'm going to try to make her as original as possible, knowing that she needs a lot of body work and a paint job. So that's what I'm going to do with the 65 Chev. This was just a fun little thing to do, okay? Just for a few laughs on YouTube, and that's why I did this basically. But honestly guys, I actually like this car. I actually really like this car. It's coming together pretty good. I think it's starting to come together really nice. It's starting to look good inside. Things are happening, you know. This RPM gauge works perfectly in the car, but I don't want to use it. I wanted to use that one. So this one works perfect and the other one doesn't. It fluctuates, which is not a problem with the RPM gauge. It's noise coming from the wires, I guess, in the car. That's what I found out about it. So it's picking up interference in the wiring going into the coil. And apparently what a lot of guys do is they put these little resistors, and that takes care of that. I call it noise, you know, whatever, but that's the way that is. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna stick this one in. Up. Oh, I don't like how that buckles. See that, guys? It buckles. I think when I put the screws in, it will take care of that, but okay, so guys, I'm gonna look for a screw for that, put it in, but I'm gonna end this one right here. And now it's officially a Southside Boy Style vehicle, okay, because it has a Southside Boy Style license plate. So I'm gonna leave you guys with some aerial footage, I think, a little bit. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to leave a like over there, a subscribe down there, and don't forget, you can always check out my merch. I see some of you guys are buying some of my merch. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So guys, Southside Boy Style is out.
Dead to me, RIP buried. 무리들이 몰려온다 사자해라 미리. Dead to me, RIP buried. 무릎 꿇고 고개 숙여 반성해라 피리. 왜 이래요? 잘못 오셨네요. 상관없는 자에게는 묻지 마세요. 손 깨끗이 씻고 and I live to tell the tale. 못이 박히기 했지만 coffin and a nail. Bury so deep in your excrete. 누굴 탓해? 다 네가 한 짓. I've been mute, I've been discreet. 알만한 사람 다 알아 나 in these streets. 시끌벅적 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 동네 시끄럽네요. 시끌벅적 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 화난 사람 많네요. Come hit you and run. They coming for your ransom. 나 어째 call you lawyer. 뭐 막아 quick do nothing for ya. I say come hit you and run. 막아 can't do nothing for ya. Dead to me, R.I.P. buried. Angry mom coming for your pitchforks ready. Dead to me with no Hail Marys. 이미 뜯겨버림 없는 casket necessary. 무리들이 몰려온다 사자해라 미리. 무릎 꿇고 고개 숙여 파상해라 피리. 거짓말에 말려버린 왜곡된 사실이 고삐 풀린 말이 되면 너는 내게 시신. 어떡해요 다 걸려버렸네요. 요즘이 어떤 시대인데 그런 짓을 해요. 망나니처럼 막 나갈 때 언제 꼭 글쎄요. 이제와 후회해봐도 달라질 건 없네요. Buried so deep in your excrete. 누굴 탓해 다 네가 한 짓. I've been mute I've been discreet. 알만한 사람 다 알아 나 in these streets. 시끌벅적 동네 시끄럽네요. 시끌벅적 화난 사람 많네요. Come hit you and run. They coming for your ransom. 나 어째 call you lawyer. 뭐 막아 can't do nothing for ya. I said come hit you and run. They coming